Greetings, programmers. I'm here to talk to you today about your tank's exciting new feature, the ability to teleport. Yes, you heard it here first. Your tank now has the ability to teleport, subject to a cooldown period. So let me show you how this works. I've got the demo debugger open, and I'm working on Monster, the tank I created in the initial tutorial. So just to demo how teleporting works, what I'm going to do is create a new sensor. So I'm going to set the range to be 80. Let's make it 90 actually. And I'll set the angle to be 359 degrees. So this is going to be, 0. And then the angle to be, the width to be 359 degrees. So this is a big sensor that sort of fills the inner area of my other sensors. Okay, and this is sensor 6. So what I'm going to do is down here I'm going to add 6 sensor teleport if. Okay, so now if a tank enters this inner region, it's not going to be very good for winning, but it should help the tank run away. So if something enters this inner region covered by sensor 6, then the tank is going to try to teleport. Now you saw it jump there, but there's a cooldown period, so the tank can't teleport again until after some number of rounds has passed, and it's quite a bit longer than the fire cooldown. So when you shoot the cannon, you have to wait, I believe, 20 seconds or 20 rounds, and I think for the teleporting it's more like 60 rounds. Okay, so if something enters this inner range, then the tank is going to run away. So this seems like a bit of a crazy design. So what if we instead make it a little bit more useful? So let's say we'll set the range to be 60 and the width to be, how about 90? Except that I want now the angle to be 180. So what we have is a what we have is a rear kind of a guard zone. Okay, so we have this rear guard zone on the tank. The width is 90, and if anyone enters this area, the tank is going to teleport. So let's try that out. Of course, we have to wait until that situation occurs. Now, one thing you should know is that it's possible when you teleport that you'll teleport onto another tank, which of course will be fatal for both of you. Of course, maybe we won't get an opportunity to see this in action, but I think you get the idea. If you want to teleport, you just use the teleport command. You can't use it all the time, it has to cool down, and of course you can teleport onto another tank. So there's also teleport ready, just like you can say fire ready. Okay, so if the system's ready to teleport, then we're going to teleport. So if 6 sensors triggered, the system is ready to teleport, then we will teleport. And what I'm going to do here is I'll change the range back to, say, 80. Let's make it 90. And I'll make the width again 359, so you can see that indeed teleport ready does work. So as soon as, if teleport ready, so you can choose to do something differently if the tank isn't ready to teleport, for example. And once again, teleporting does run the risk of landing on another tank, and that will get you both. So that's your new challenge. It's a small one, but hopefully it's a fun one. How to best use the ability to teleport to make a better, more competitive tank. If you have any questions, as always, send an email to the UMDCYL mailing list, and I'll be sure to answer as quickly as I can. Or you can email me directly at pahp@d.umn.edu. Again, pahp@d.umn.edu. Thanks, and have fun.